Good day, everyone. We are the Team Lakbay from the College of Information Technology. So today, ipresent namin ang aming final group activity entitled Building the Future, 10 Years from Now. So sa activity na ito, gumamit kami ng Artificial Intelligence or AI Image Generator para makita kung paano posibleng magmukha ang iba't ibang lugar after 10 years. So nag-take kami ng real photos, gumawa ng prompts at nag-generate ng AI image, nag-rate ng response at nag-improve ng prompts. So, ang tatlong areas na pinili namin ay first,
For our area, pinili namin itong school pathway area na may benches at open space for students. And makikita sa larawan na simple at relaxing environment dahil maraming trees at sitting areas. Ito ay common place kung saan nagre-rest, nag-aaral at nag-uusap ang mga students. And this is our place. Ayan. So makikita natin dyan yung nagtatampay mga students. Let's go. Let's go to our prompt. Let's go to our first prompt. Let's see what Gemini is again because so ayan makikita natin na nag-transform talaga siya into the future. So pagkatapos ma-generate ang image, AI image, generate namin ito gamit ang our criteria ratings. First one is realism, scale 7 per 10, and the second one is future design, which is 8 over 10, and the prompt accuracy is 8 over 10. So ang total score is 23 over 30. So naging futuristic yung results dahil nagkaroon ng advanced school facilities at modern lighting systems, pero may ilang parts na masyadong high-tech at hindi nakakma sa original appearance ng school. So, nag-improve kami ng prompt para maging mas realistic at student-friendly ang environment. So, this is our second prompt. So, discarded eh. So, ayan ang result ng ating prompt. So, mas ayan. Ayan ang result ng prompt natin. So, mas naging realistic yung improved output dahil balance yung futuristic elements at hindi masyadong nabago yung original structure ng school area. And what we have learned in this is importante ang clear at specific instructions para makagawa ng AI na mas accurate at believable image. Thank you. Mana?
So for our second area, which is the food stalls, it is located at Tagulan Plaza. And pinili namin itong public hangout place kung saan madalas nagtitipon ang mga tao para kumain, mag-relax, at makipag-socialize. So, which is this. So, makikita sa picture na maraming food stalls and open space at maraming tao na naglalakad at tumatambay. Maliwalas yung lugar at ginagamit ito bilang community gathering area. So, as for the first prompt, which is the WEC prompt, uh, I will use Gemini AI to generate photo. So, so
Lawrence, ayaw may gantay ka.
Katol ko na like ko.
Nakabay kong photo. Ayun mo lang, okay, makita ka sa kuan. Wala ka nag-liyo.
Dogre ka dogay. So, after generating the AI image, so as you can see, mas ano siya sa future and may mga digital or most likely innovated and so after generating the AI, nirate namin ito na gamit ang measurable criteria ratings. The realization is out of the 8 out of 10. The future design is 9 out of 10. And the prompt accuracy is 7 out of 10. The total of 24 out of 30. Maganda yung futuristic design ng AI output dahil nagdagdag ito ng advanced technology tulad ng hologram displays at smart systems. Pero may parts na medyo unrealistic dahil sobrang daming futuristic objects na hindi na bagay sa original environment. So, gumawa kami ng improved prompt para maging balance at realistic ang result. So, this is the improved prompt. Gaya ka.
Saan nag-post?
Nara. So, this is the improved prompt and after improving the prompt, mas naging realistic siya at organize yung generated image. Mas na-preserve din yung original structure ng place habang nadagdagan ang futuristic elements. So, sa activity na to, natutunan namin na mas effective and detailed prompts dahil mas controlled at accurate ang mga AI-generated output. That's all.
Zoom daw.
Ay,
Buang, masaluhan ko na.
nara.
Nice.
Nga na, lagi ka dari dyan.
Okay, next na.
Okay, so for our third area, pili namin itong bedroom or home area. Kita no? Ito yung unit,
Kita ra.
yung kita sa original photo na click design sa room. So, tago lang sa relaxing room. So, change natin ito gamit yung AI. Ito natin ay wala AI. So, first, ito yung unang prompt. Prompt namin.
Kita na imong
So,
tuloy
ito.
dire.
Ito yung output na binigay ng AI. Ginamit natin ito. So, after ma-generate ito image, create namin ito gamit ang mga measurable criteria like realism 8 over 10, user design over 10, and prompt accuracy 8 over 10. So, overall score is 55 over 30. Maganda yung karoon ng technology at mag-improve. Pero may ilang criteria natin mga advantage hindi realistic para sa isang normal bedroom. Kaya, mara kami improve prompt para maging practical at realistic in future design. So, ito yung improve design.
Gemini, gamit mo yata yan.
Ito yung final output natin na tapos magamit yung improve na prompt. So, after poging the prompt, maging materialistic. Usually, yung generated mas naging balance din yung combination of futuristic technology at modern home design compared dun sa isa na parang hindi uh, so, sa dito kita namin kung paano makakatulong ang AI sa pag-visualize ng future home design habang pinapakita pa rin ng realism at quality. So that's all.
Lins. Kita imong kuan dire. Ali na magkuan na ta conclusion.
Ay!
Ako sa number 1 ha. Bahala na sa Lawrence. Ako sa number 1, si number 2 ka Nemia, tapos si si Prince sa number 3, then sa number 4 din ka Lawrence. Then kita din ani ang last call. Okay? 1,
Isa lang.
2, 3, go. Overall, natutunan namin na importante ang paggawa ng detailed, specific prompts para makakuha ng better AI gen. Ay, otra.
Uy, asa man? Repeat.
Tanawa sa GC. Ano ba? Overall, natutunan namin na importante ang paggawa ng detailed at specific prompts para makaproduce ng better AI-generated result. Tulog na. Bede. Overall, natutunan namin na importante ang paggawa ng details at specific prompts para makaproduce ng better AI-generated result.
Natutunan din namin kung paano gamitin ang AI creatively sa pag-imagine ng future environments.
Through prompt improvement, mas naging realistic, organized at accurate ang output namin.
At higit sa lahat, nag-develop namin ang aming teamwork at communication skills at understanding about artificial intelligence in the modern world.
And
Thank you and have a great day.